The trade war was started many years ago by them, and the United States lost.
So you're saying we're on the losing end of it?
Well, no, there is no trade war. They've taken so much.
It may sound like he's blaming China, but President Trump is claiming it's our own past presidents who, by conceding too much to China when these presidents were in power, lost the trade war years ago. But one of China's biggest critics says President Trump is kind of wrong on this, but in a different way. He says the U.S. hasn't lost yet. Rather, we've only just begun to fight, and that winning will be easy. Author of The Coming Collapse of China, Gordon Chang, joins us live. What do you mean easy to win?
Well, because we have almost all the leverage. And the other thing is that the Chinese know that. You know, Chinese reporting says that Vice Premier Liu He, who's here, he knows that China cannot win a trade war. Just look at the numbers. First of all, we're the trade deficit country. Last year, our merchandise trade deficit was $375.2 billion.
With China.
With China. And by the way, Liz, 88.8% of China's overall merchandise trade surplus relates to the U.S. We got a stable economy. They don't. Ours is growing. Theirs is slowing down fast.
Okay, but then you say it's easy to win.
Yes,
How?
it is.
What should we be doing that we're not? Because the president is slapping tariffs on China. And then, of course, overnight, Xi Jinping retaliated and slapped tariffs on our goods.
Yeah, the Chinese will do this as long as they think that President Trump will back down. And apparently that's their calculus. You know, on ZTE, the embattled Chinese telecom equipment maker, Chinese issued a demand. President Trump backed down on the sanctions on that company.
That was ZTE.
That's ZTE. So I think that they tested him and they decided they could win a trade war, because they think they've got the political will. But when you look at the numbers, we are in the perfect position to win it. And by the way, Liz, our economy is bigger than theirs. Last year, we had $19.39 trillion of GDP. They claim 12.84, but it's a lot less.
Okay, look at ZTE. When you see to the right where it drops right off, they had to halt trading 2 months ago when President Trump spiked their chances, added sanctions, and said, you can't buy any U.S. components or parts for your Chinese company.
Right.
To me, that was brilliant, because they then looked at this and said, OK, uncle, we're going to pay you $1 billion fine. We're going to fire management, and we're going to change the board at ZTE, and we won't trade to Iran anymore. We won't violate the sanctions, which was the original reason that Wilbur Ross said, you know what, stop dealing with ZTE. But then we lifted them. Was that a smart move?
No, I don't think it was. And the reason is, you know, you can look at this deal and you could say it was a good deal for the U.S. because the U.S. also got something else. Qualcomm got approval for its NXP acquisition. Bain's going to get approval for, I think it's Toshiba. But the point is, no deal is a good deal, no matter how good. And the reason is the Chinese made this a test of political will.
Well, we can't just shut out China's goods. I mean, people in America like less expensive things, especially when they're looking for a bargain. And you don't want to make the consumer poor. You don't want to tax the consumer.
Yeah.
So you turn to other trading partners. We've just shut out 28 European Union countries. Not shut out, but, you know, we're in a little bit of a trade skirmish with them, and Mexico and Canada.
And I don't think it's smart to take on the entire world at the same time. I think President Trump should have focused on China and sort of kept the Europeans and everybody else on our side.
But he's got the world's attention, Gordon, and to me, that is that's certainly worth something.
Sure.
I'm not sure of all of the battles that he is fighting right now. I would say you ought to leave out Canada, and that's not just because my parents are Canadian, but I mean, they are our strongest and most reliable ally.
And we have a trade surplus when you include the services. What Trump should have done is gone after the EU, because there's some pretty predatory policies there. I mean, the Canadian, you know, the Canadian thing is just, to me, the wrong target. I mean, I think it's personal because of Trudeau. But the point is, you know, Liz, right now, because of bad policies over the course of decades, there are no-cost solutions. But the one thing that we can do is what you just mentioned. We can buy from our friends, and it's already happening. You go into a Walmart, the low-cost stuff is mostly made in places like Bangladesh, Jordan, Mexico. You know, it's already happening.
Gotcha. Gordon, thank you very much. Gordon Chang.